'Cause everybody loves pancakes, pancakes. And everybody wants a pancake, pancake. Cooper, how many pancakes would you like? 1, 2, Ziggy? Ooh, pancakes, pancakes. 'Cause everybody loves pancakes, pancakes. Pancakes, pancakes. Everybody waits for pancakes, pancakes. Pancakes, pancakes. Everybody love pumpkin spice pancakes. Everybody love pumpkin spice pancakes. Go with these pancakes. So we got 2 blueberry and 2 pumpkin spice pancakes. Pancakes. 'Cause somebody else likes pancakes. There she is. But he gets a whole pancake just to himself. Eat it slow so you don't choke. Was it good? It's gone already, huh? Oh, dang. Loves pancakes, pancakes. So I got 2 pumpkin spice, and I don't give my dogs pancakes every day. I actually don't even hardly cook pancakes, but they're a special treat with no syrup. Cooper loves them. Ellie Mae. Here, Ellie Mae. Look. Calm down. Calm down. You knocked it out of my hand. Lola. Ellie Mae, let Lola get some. Ellie Mae. It's hard to feed dogs and pigs together because sometimes I have to distract a pig with a pancake. Look, Ellie Mae. It's over there. So I can feed the other one. There you go, Lola. That way Lola gets some. Delilah. Come here, Delilah. While the Ellie Mae is distracted. Oh, she's back. Ellie Mae, look. It's over there. I have to distract her. Here, Delilah. Because Delilah's a gentle baby. Ellie Mae gets into a frenzy. A pancake frenzy. Slow down. Do not bite me. Slow down. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, look at there. Roxanne wants a pancake. Everybody wants a pancake. Pancake. Cooper says especially him. Especially Roxanne. Roxanne. Ellie Mae. I think you've met your quota. Ah, she got it. She got it. Now it's Lola's turn. Get it, Lolo. Get it, Lolo. Lola takes hers and runs with it. Okay, Ellie Mae. Slowly, slowly. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. This one's Cooper's. Cooper. Here you go, Cooper. There you go, Lola. All right, you guys have met your quota, and Delilah only had 1 piece, so the last pancake goes to her. Delilah. The last pancake goes to you, baby. Move, Ellie Mae. This pancake goes to Delilah, because she's my baby girl. And her gets the last pancake. Good job. All the pancakes, all gone. You know what? Everybody loves pancakes, pancakes. Everybody loves pancakes, pancakes. Indigo. Indigo. Okay, how many people have a peacock walking around their house? Hi, Indigo. Indigo. Everybody loves pancakes, pancakes. Especially when they're bigger than your face.
Could you put that in the fridge?
Put that on the table for me, please. Pancakes, pancakes. Everybody loves pancakes. Delilah. Oh, Delilah. I got a pancake. A juicy, juicy pancake. Delilah, would you like some pancake? She says, well, heck yeah, because why? Because Everybody loves pancake. Pancake! Oh yeah. Especially Delilah. Those are her favorites. Delilah pancakes. But ducks and turkeys, well, everybody loves pancakes. Pancakes! Would you guys like a pancake? Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm only going to throw a half of a pancake, and we'll see who fights over it. What a flock. What a flock. Hey, Tom. Tom, did you get some pancake? Aha, somebody got out of the yard and they didn't get any pancake. Here, little ducky. Here, come here. Come get some pancake. It's like I ain't falling for that. Ooh, Tom got a big piece. Or no, that wasn't Tom. Who was that? Oh, the rooster got a piece of pancake. He ran over there with it. Mama turkey got a big piece of pancake. And is that an egg? Oh my God, there's an egg over there. Little duck, look, I got a pancake. Come back. Do you want some? Here, ducky, ducky, ducky. Here, ducky, ducky, ducky. Everybody loves pancakes. Obviously, the duck said life or death, does not love pancakes. I was just going to catch him and put him back. But he'll have to stay out. Because I got to take a pancake to Ellie Mae. Pancakes. Pancakes. You want a pancake? You want a little bit? Huh? There's enough for everybody. There's enough for everybody. Including Ellie Mae. Ellie Mae is in visiting. She likes to visit the goats. I'll give her a big piece. She'll get it because it's all out of focus, but she got it. Hello, Valentino, my beautiful baby. Loves pancakes. Guapo? Where's my guapo? Oh, there's my guapo. Have some guapo. You don't want any? Danny boy. Cotton. You want some, Cotton? Don't eat too much of that. Not too much marmalade. Let Danny boy have some. Guapo, you still haven't had any. Guapo's not sure he likes it. Here, Ellie Mae. Here, Ellie Mae. Oops, I dropped it. Did you get it, baby girl? Did you get it? She got it. That's all the pancake. Just one. You all had to share it. You all had to share the pancake. Was it good, Ellie Mae? Yes, it was, Mama. Yes, it was, Valentino.